Hi, this is Mark. Happy 4th of July 2020. Update on my hydroponic garden. I'm having a couple of issues actually. The big one is the heat, and again it's hitting my lettuce. I had mid-90s yesterday, July 3rd, and you can see my lettuce is all wilted, and it's kind of my fault. I should just be eating this faster because it's not meant to, it should be harvested already. One thing I did do is I took one of my romaines was really wilted. I took the whole thing right out. I put it into a ice bath and I put it in the fridge, and it came back to life, and we made a salad out of it. So short term, that's a quick little fix that worked for me. Here's a mistake I made, and I'm totally convinced of it now. These tomato plants should have never been in this bed. Next year I'm going to do just peppers in here, and I'm going to actually make this into a separate loop system so I can increase the nutrients for the peppers because they like a higher mix. So I might just separate the NFT from the raised bed. The dirt garden's doing great. In one of my previous videos I said I was going to use the old nutrient solution to feed my dirt garden. That was wishful thinking, and that did not happen. And the reason is my water in my nutrient solution is evaporating quicker than I can change it. I'm refilling this about every week and a half to 7 days. With this heat, it's easily a week, and I learned soon that I have to keep a real close eye on it. One thing I also did is my pump ran dry a few times. That's not good for your pump. Your pump burns up. So I did buy a spare just to have on hand. And what I'm actually going to do is, and I'll do another video, is I'm going to wire a float switch right into this receptacle so that if the water gets too low, it just kills that plug and shuts the pump off. And then actually it's got another auxiliary contact for it. I'm going to wire it into a little light or a beeper so that it'll alert me that the sump is low. And then I did have one big problem in my Dutch buckets, which I got to build something for these things. These things are out of control. I can't even, the baskets aren't working. I should never even done this. I'm going to make some sort of a cage rack system or something. I don't know if I said it in one of my earlier videos, but these Dutch buckets are way too close together. I underestimated everything. Next year I'll spread them out. I'll probably do 6 buckets, and I'll spread them out like, I don't know, good 18 inches in between each bucket. And I'll build some sort of rack system for it. They're doing great. Another thing that I did wrong is, this is what happened. I had my Dutch buckets, the drain system. Now you're not going to be able to see it because it's on the other side. I'll stick the camera in there. Right there, yep. The drain part of it clogged with the roots of the tomato plant. And what was happening is on the other side of the bucket, it was just overflowing. And there was this huge mess under here. And I was losing nutrient solution. I lost it in 3 days. And I'm like, they could not have evaporated that fast. And I didn't really notice the leak because it's kind of tucked in the corner there. So I took a drill and I took a piece of solid wire and I kind of reamed it out. It's probably going to happen again, which really sucks. And the other thing that I realized is I put this drain pipe in the back. Well, it's really hard to get to. I can't even access it to do something. So I had to have my wife help me. I had to take this bucket out, which looks like it wouldn't be too hard, but it was very challenging to not break the branches, and I did break a few. And I actually lost a couple of little tomato plants. Well, I was going to show you, but they're inside. I brought them inside to keep them out of the heat, but some of the crack key plants I had. So, yeah, I underestimated this whole system here, and I learned a lot, and I know what to do next year. But I got tomatoes growing right here. Look at that. Cool, huh? Excited. My son is very excited. Yeah, that's about it for now. I made some mistakes here. Definitely spread your buckets farther apart. Make sure your drainage side of your system is accessible. Maybe that's what I should do, is bring this manifold out to the front and run it along this way and turn my buckets around. Then I can see it and access it. I just thought of that just now. I think that's actually what I should do. And definitely, like I said, these tomatoes, they're just they're just crowding over everything. This was stupid of me to do this. But they're doing great. The tomatoes are doing awesome. But it doesn't leave any room for anything else, which is a shame. So, few lessons learned. Happy 4th of July. God bless America. Bye.